Y'all know what she takes normally? Anything else?
Somebody was trying to help me. She knocked him out. I'm even trying to see.
Officer 1, can I get BCFR reference to 35 usage? Hey!
Right away, you can hear the officers switching from enforcement mode to crisis response mode. This isn't about catching a criminal yet. It's about keeping Heather alive before she hurts herself or gets hit by traffic. And honestly, the tension here ramps up fast.
Are you alright? Can you get off the road so we can talk off the road? Did you take something today other than we gotta get off the road because I don't want you to get hit. Can you get up? Hey. 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 Sit up. Come on. I need you to sit up. Hey. Can we? Hey. We're gonna get off the road, okay? Come on. Where does she stay? In here?
No.
Okay. Hey.
I know her from over there.
Her name is Heather?
Yeah. I know her by this place.
Heather. Calm down. Can you sit down? Can you sit down? I don't want you to get hurt. Sit down. Sit down. I don't want you to get hurt. Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me? Listen, we got the ambulance coming to check on you, okay?
Notice how officers keep repeating simple commands like sit down and stay still. That's actually a common de-escalation tactic when someone appears intoxicated, disoriented, or in medical distress. The scary part? Nobody on scene even knows exactly what she took.
Okay. You're okay. You're okay. We got the ambulance coming, okay? Can you speak to me? Can you tell me your name? How about we just sit down? I don't want you to get hurt. Sit down. Just stay on the floor. You're gonna get hurt if you keep getting up. You're coming off of something else. They don't know her last name, only that her first name's Heather. I saw her freaking out in the road doing this. She keeps going like in and out. Hey, Heather. Hey. We're not doing that. Nope. She did that earlier when I picked her up. She was blue in the face, so that's when I called for BCFR. But she doesn't understand because I keep trying to tell her to stay on the floor, but she doesn't understand. I want Whiteside to identify her because I guarantee you he knows.
This is where the situation becomes unpredictable. Heather keeps fading in and out. Witnesses say she turned blue earlier, and now responders are balancing two things at once: medical emergency and public safety. One wrong move here could turn deadly in seconds.
Hey, you're gonna get hurt. You're gonna slam your head on the floor. Stay on the floor. They just saw her. They just saw her walking down the street freaking out. Hey! Hey! I already tried to... She just doesn't understand. She needs to stay still. This is what we went with Joseph Malloy yesterday. Pretty sure it's...
I've never seen her like this.
She was moving around too much. I don't know if they're going to be able to do anything because she's moving around too much. This is exactly what Joseph Malloy did on... Hey, so she's freaking out, doesn't really understand what's going on. She was turning blue earlier. They tried to Narcan her, but they were unable to. She keeps kind of going in and out. She went down earlier and turned blue and in the face.
And there it is, physical restraint. Legally, officers can use force when someone becomes a danger to themselves or others, and Heather is clearly unable to follow commands. But moments like this are always controversial. Was this the safest option?
We only know first name is Heather. That's all we know. I'm waiting for Whiteside to come so we can ID her. Yeah. I didn't know if she was going to go unconscious or not all the way, so...
I'll say next time she goes like that,
yeah.
Gotta be real quick.
Super legs.
Can you stand up?
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
You're not in trouble. We're just gonna get you help.
We're trying to get you help.
We're just gonna get you help.
We're trying to get you help.
Stop before we have to put you on the ground.
Okay, we're going on the ground.
You can actually hear the frustration and concern from everyone involved. EMS is hesitant. Officers are scrambling for identification, and nobody fully understands what caused Heather's behavior. This is the kind of body cam footage that shows how chaotic rules.
Stop.
Stop. We're going to help you.
We're trying to help you. Stop.
I'm gonna go now. There we go.
Mommy.
Stop. Hey. Stop, bro. You're hitting your head on the floor.
Stop.
Can you get up for us? Come on. Who's this? Heather. Thanks.
Fire already come?
Yep. And they said they can't do anything. Basically, same thing as Joseph Moore, arrow in the back. All right. Oh,
Heather,
to Mike.
Heather, stop kicking, okay? Chill out. We're gonna take you out.
Come on, girl. I think she has anything.
Heather, Heather, can you see me? Heather,
No, they said they were like scared of her. They were
Heather.
scared of her. They kept backing up.
Heather. Hey, it's Whiteside. Can you hear me? Are you okay?
Are you ready? We're gonna get you in the car.
Here, have a seat, Heather.
There you go. There you go. Nope. Come on. Come on. Get in. No, get in. Heather, stop. Here, watch out. Watch out. You can come out. We're at the hospital. Hey. Stop. Stop.
In the end, Heather was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. But after watching everything unfold, what do you think? Was this purely criminal behavior, or someone in serious medical crisis who needed intervention before anything else?
No, probably not. Probably not. Hey, stop! Stop. We don't do that.
Heather, chill out, okay?
You gotta take her. All right.
Okay, my foot.
Come on.
Alright, wait.
You can put your leg down. You're okay.